everyone. Welcome to Grade 7 Math Aralan. I am Teacher Diane, your teacher broadcaster. For today, we will learn the basics of set. Set is the first topic in your Math 7, and this is the first time you will encounter this in the mathematics world. So, are you excited for today's lesson? Join me and let's explore what set is. So, when you hear me saying that our topic is set, what comes into your mind? I guess I know what you're thinking. Are you thinking about your dining set? Or are you thinking about your sala set? What about your coloring set or your set of crayons? Let's see if your thoughts are correct. But before we continue, let's take note of our learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to: number 1, define and illustrate set. Number 2, identify elements of a set. Number 3, determine the cardinality of a set. And lastly, write set in a rooster form and in rule or set builder form. So, what is actually a set? A set is mathematically defined as any well-defined collection or group of distinct objects. Please take note of the three key words in the definition. Number 1, it is well-defined. Number 2, collection or group. And number 3, distinct object. Well-defined. So when we say well-defined, this means that a set should be properly defined or there should be no vague interpretation. When we say collection or group, it means it is a pool of, an aggregation of, or a collection of. Like for example, you have a pool of researchers, a pool of pens, a pool of Barbie dolls, or a collection of Barbie dolls. And lastly, distinct object. When we say it is a distinct object, it is unique and there should be no repetition in a set. Okay, for example, our dining set. Our dining set is composed, of course, by our dining table and dining chairs. It is a set because it has two compositions, and that is our dining chairs and dining table. Next example, our coloring set. Our coloring set has 8 colors, and those are green, brown, black, blue, red, violet, orange, and yellow. So it is a set because it has 8 distinct colors. Another example, set of odd numbers from 1 to 10. So what are the numbers from 1 to 10? So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But you are asked for a set of odd numbers. So what are the set of odd numbers from 1 to 10? Okay, so these are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Very good, you got it right. Let's have other concepts about set. Distinct object that compose a set is mathematically known as elements. In our example, dining set has 2 distinct objects. These are our dining chairs and our dining table. So how many elements does a dining set have? Yes, very good. There are 2 elements in a dining set. What about our sala set? Our sala set has 3 distinct objects: the long bench, the single benches, and the center table. So how many elements does a sala set have? Yes, very good. There are 3 elements in a sala set. How about our coloring set? Our eight color coloring set has eight distinct objects. Those are green, brown, black, blue, red, violet, orange, and yellow. So how many elements does it have? Yes, very good again. There are eight elements in an eight color coloring set. Let's take note of the important points about set. Number one, sets are denoted by capital letters. For example, set of counting numbers from 1 to 5 is denoted by capital letter A. Number 2, elements of set are usually denoted by small letters. For example, set A that contains the elements A, B, C, and D. Number 3, set notation. There are two set notation. Set notation number 1 is called rooster form. Rooster form is a list of elements separated by comma and enclosed by braces. For example, set Q that contains 5, 10, 15, and 20, and set Y that contains A, B, C, D, and E. Take note, all elements are separated by comma and list is enclosed by braces. Set notation number 2, the rule or set builder form. The rule or set builder form is setting a rule for elements of a set. For example, set X that contains 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So it is written in a rooster form. So how are we going to write this in a set builder form? So in a set builder form, it is written as and read as X is a set with elements X such that X is an AND number from 1 to 10. This vertical line here is read as such that. Next, there are cases wherein no elements are found in a set. In this case, open and close braces or the null symbol is used for empty set or null set. Take note, empty set is a set which contains no elements. Okay, next, cardinality. Cardinality of a set is number of elements of a set denoted by n of x or absolute value of x. For example, set X that contains 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. What is its cardinality? Simple. We just need to count the elements. In this case, there are 5 elements, so the cardinality of X is 5. Another example. Set Y that contains right, obtuse, and acute. What is the cardinality of set Y? Easy, right? The cardinality of set Y is 3. Take note, set with countable elements are called finite set. This means we can count the elements. In the case of our example, set X contains 5 while set Y contains 3. Another example, set F that contains 1, 2, 3 up to 10. What is its cardinality? Very good. The cardinality of F is 10. 10 because there are 10 elements in set F. Another example, set H that contains 1, 2, 3, and so on. What do you think is its cardinality? Very good. The cardinality of H is infinity. Infinity because there are so many uncountable numbers from 1, 2, 3, and so on. Set of uncountable elements is called infinite set. Please take note of the use of ellipsis. Ellipsis represents continuation or pattern. Since you have already mastered the basic concepts of set, let's have simple exercises. Exercise A. Directions. Determine whether the given is a set or not. Collection of a whole number from 1 to 10. Is it a set or not? Yes, it is a set. Collection of unknown counting numbers. Is it a set or not? Yes, it's not a set. It's because of the word unknown. It makes the given not well defined. Queue that contains tablet, laptop, Android phone, and television. Is it a set or not? Yes, it is a set. How about this given? Is it a set or not? Yes, it's not a set. Why? If you can still remember, set is denoted by a capital letter, while elements is denoted by a small letter. So in this case, our set is denoted by a small letter, while our elements is denoted by a capital letter. Exercise B. Directions. Write the given set into its counterpart set notation. M is equal to the set that contains X such that X is the size of shirt. This one is written in a rule or set builder form, so you have to write its rooster form. So what are the sizes of shirt? So we have extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and XXL. In rooster form, we write this as M is a set which contains XS for extra small, S for small, M for medium, L for large, XL for extra large, and XXL. Exercise C. Directions. Determine the cardinality of the following sets. Number 1. M is equal to the set that contains X such that X is a letter of the English alphabet. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Right, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. So the cardinality of set M is equal to 26. How about this given? What is its cardinality? Simple. The cardinality of a null set or an empty set is 0. How about set X that contains 2, 4, 6, and so on? What is its cardinality? Very good. Its cardinality is infinity. Additional exercise. Why is set of good students mathematically not a set? Set of good students is mathematically not a set because of the word good. Set should be well defined and has no vague or subjective definition. That's all for our lesson 1.1 Basics of Set. It has been a great day to all of us as today we have learned something new. Again, this is Teacher Diane and this is Grade 7 Telemath Aralan.